Hi, Moroccan Arabic lovers. Hope you're doing well. Kidarin, labas alaikum. And I hope you're making some progress with your Darija learning. Now, give me just a few minutes of your precious time, and I'm going to show you how to ask and answer questions using how often, how many, how much, how long, etc. Keep watching if you are interested. Hi, this is Nordine from Moroccan Arabic Academy. Welcome to lesson number 20, Questions with How, Part 2. Today we are going to study different uses of how in Moroccan Arabic. So let's go to the lesson plan. By the end of this lesson, you are going to learn in the expression section, you are going to learn how, questions with how, in different contexts and different situations, and their answers in Moroccan Arabic, possible answers in Moroccan Arabic. In the vocabulary section, you are going to learn some random common vocabulary, verbs plus nouns. In the grammar section, as usual, you are going to learn some personal pronouns, object form and subject form, the singular and plural of nouns, adjectives, and verbs, and demonstrative adjectives, the singular and plural forms. So let's dive into lesson number 20. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment if you like the video. So number 1, how are you? Kidair, kidair. So when you're addressing a man or a boy, you say kidair, kidair. When you are addressing a girl or a woman, you say kidaira, kidaira. Okay, note we have the a suffix for the feminine. Okay, a suffix for the feminine, kidaira. Now we have kidairin, kidairin. So the plural, when you're addressing a group of people, you say kidairin, kidairin. So we have kidair, kidaira, and kidairin. Okay, kidairin. Number 2, fine, thanks. Labas, shukran. So fine is labas and thanks is shukran. So labas, shukran. لاباس شكرا. Number 3, how old are you? شحال في عمرك or شحال عمرك. Okay, شحال عمرك. So how old? شحال عمرك. Okay, شحال عمرك. Now feminine شحال عمركي. Okay, feminine singular. Now شحال عمركم plural, masculine and feminine alike. So شحال عمركم, شحال عمركم, شحال عمركي. How old are you? Feminine. Okay, شحال عمرك. Okay, when you're addressing a boy or a man. شحال عمرك. Number 4, 30 years. 30 years. So 30 is 30. Okay, 30 is 30. Years old. عام. So we have a year is عام. So 30 عام. 30 عام. 20 years is 20 عام. For example, 15 years is 15 العام or 15 السنة. Okay. Number 5, how do you say this in Darija? So how do you say كيفاش كتقول? This is هادشي. So this is a demonstrative adjective, okay, sometimes used as a demonstrative pronoun. So how do you say this in Darija? كيفاش كتقول هادشي بالدارجة or بالدارجة in Moroccan Arabic, okay, بالمغربية, الدارجة المغربية. All right. Number 6, I don't know. ما عرفتش. Okay, ما عرفتش. Note the use of ma as a prefix and the sh sound as a suffix, okay, to make the negative form in Moroccan Arabic. I don't know, ما عرفتش. Number 7, how much is this? شحال هادشي. So how much is شحال? This is هادشي, okay. شحال هادشي. How much is this? شحال هادشي. Okay, so هادشي is a demonstrative, okay, adjective. Number 8, very expensive. غالي بزاف. So expensive is غالي, all right, and بزاف is very. غالي بزاف. Now very cheap, رخيص بزاف. So cheap is رخيص بزاف or غالي بزاف. Next, number 1, how far is the bank? شحال بعيدة البنكة. So how far is شحال بعيدة. Okay, the bank is البنكة. شحال بعيدة البنكة. How far is the bank? شحال بعيدة البنكة. Number 2, it's at the corner. مع الدورة. At the corner is مع الدورة. So الدورة is a turning. Okay, the دورة is a turning. مع الدورة. sorry. It's at the corner. مع الدورة. مع الدورة. Number 3. How tall are you? شحال الطول ديالك. So شحال الطول is how tall. You is ديالك. Your, okay, height. ديالك. So ديالك is a possessive adjective corresponding to you, your in English. Okay. Number 4. 1 meter 80 centimeters. متر و80 سنتيمتر. So 1 meter is متر and is U and 80 80 is 80 centimeters. متر و80 centimeter or متر و80 متر و80. Number 5. How many eggs are left? شحال من بيضة باقية. So eggs is البيض and بيضة is 1 egg. So شحال من, how many? شحال من بيضة باقية. How many eggs are left? So left is باقية. Okay. باقية because in Moroccan Arabic بيضة is singular and feminine. Okay. Okay. So if you want to talk about plural, you say باقيين. باقيين. Okay. باقيين. شحال ديال البيض باقيين. شحال ديال البيض باقيين. Okay. Number 6. Nothing is left. ما باقي والو. ما باقي والو. So والو is nothing. ما باقي. So ما باقيش والو. ما باقي والو is nothing is left. Nothing is left. Number 7. How much money is left? شحال ديال الفلوس باقيين. So note in. So we have seen باقية and now باقيين for plural. How much money is left? شحال ديال الفلوس باقيين. So الفلوس is plural. Okay, in Moroccan Arabic. Number 8. Just enough. Just enough. غي ما يكفي. Okay, غي ما يكفي. So just is غي. ما يكفي. ما يكفي is enough. Or غي الكفاية. غي الكفاية. Or غي ما يكفي. Next. How often do you surf? شحال من مرة. So how often is شحال من مرة. شحال من مرة. How often? كدير surf, you do surf. Okay? Or you do surf. Okay? To surf is an international word. Okay? So surf is a verb and you say كدير surf. أنا كندير surf means I surf. Okay? شحال من مرة كدير surf? How often? شحال من مرة كدير surf? Okay? شحال من مرة كتغسل سنانك? How many times or how often do you clean your teeth? How do you brush your teeth, for example? Number 2, 2 times a week. جوج مرات في السيمانة. So 2 times is جوج مرات. 1 time is مرة واحدة. مرة واحدة. 3 times 3 المرات. 4 times 4 المرات. So 2 times a week. جوج مرات في السيمانة. In a week. سيمانة. So سيمانة is a word taken from Spanish. Okay? سيمانة. Okay? Or في الأسبوع. We say في الأسبوع if you don't want to say anything. Okay? Apart from Moroccan Darija, you say جوج مرات في الأسبوع. في الأسبوع. Again, أسبوع is the equivalent of a week, but it is taken from standard Arabic. Number 3. How long is the film? شحال المدة ديال الفيلم. How long is شحال المدة. شحال المدة ديال الفيلم is the film. شحال المدة ديال الفيلم. Okay. Number 4. 1 hour 30 minutes. ساعة و30 دقيقة. ساعة is 1 hour. 30 minutes is 30 دقيقة. 30 minutes or ساعة ونص. Okay. ساعة ونص. Okay. Sorry. Number 5. How high is the bridge? شحال عالية القنطرة. So قنطرة is the bridge. شحال عالية is how high. Okay. شحال عالية القنطرة. شحال عالية القنطرة. Number 6. Not so much. ماشي بزاف. ماشي بزاف. So not so much is ماشي بزاف. ماشي بزاف. ماشي بزاف. Not so much. Number 7. How deep is the lake? شحال غارقة. So how deep is شحال غارقة. البحيرة is the lake. شحال غارقة البحيرة. شحال غارقة البحيرة. Next, number 8. 10 meters deep. 10 متر ديال الغرق. 10 متر ديال الغرق or 10 متر ديال الغرق. The same thing. So 10 متر is 10 meters. 10 meters. ديال الغرق is deep. ديال الغرق is deep. 10 متر ديال الغرق. 10 متر ديال الغرق. Next. Number 1. How wide is the room? شحال العرض ديال البيت. Okay. So how wide is شحال العرض. How wide is the river? شحال العرض ديال الواد. Okay, for example, how wide is the room? شحال العرض ديال البيت. So البيت is a room. Okay, البيت is a room. 3 meters wide. 3 متر ديال العرض. 3 متر ديال العرض. So wide is ديال العرض. Okay. 3 متر 3 meters ديال العرض. Okay. 3 meters wide. ديال العرض wide. Number 3, how fast is the train? شحال السرعة ديال التران؟ شحال السرعة ديال التران؟ So how fast is شحال السرعة? The train of the train ديال التران. So of the train. So ديال is of and train is تران is train of course. شحال السرعة ديال التران؟ شحال السرعة ديال التران? Again, train or tran is an international word. Okay, it is taken from French. Number 4, very fast. سريع بزاف. سريع بزاف. So fast is سريع. سريع. Very is بزاف. Okay, note we have the adjective and then the adverb of intensity, which is بزاف or degree. بزاف. So adjective and then the adverb of intensity. سريع بزاف. Okay, it's quite the opposite in English. So the adverb of degree first and then the adjective very fast. But in Moroccan Arabic we have the adjective plus the adverb of degree, which is بزاف. So سريع بزاف. سريع بزاف. Next, number 5. How heavy is the suitcase? شحال تقل ديال الباليزة. How heavy is شحال تقل. شحال تقل ديال الباليزة. Sorry, is the suitcase ديال الباليزة. Of the suitcase. So الباليزة is the suitcase. Beliza is the suitcase. Okay, 10 kilograms 10 كيلو. 10 كيلو. 2 kilograms 2 كيلو. 3 kilograms 3 كيلو, for example. So 10 كيلو is 10 kilograms. Number 7, how big is the city? شحال كبيرة المدينة. So المدينة is the city. شحال كبيرة. How big is the city? شحال كبيرة المدينة. Okay, ديال Casablanca, for example. You can get lost. تقدر تلف or تقدر تضيع. So you can get lost when you visit a very big city and you don't have a map. You can get lost easily. تقدر تلف. تقدر تضيع or تقدر تلف. You can is تقدر. Get lost تلف. تقدر تلف. تقدر تلف. Okay, so congratulations, you have successfully finished lesson number 20. Of course, the first steps are always difficult in learning any new language, but keep watching, things will get easier and easier. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. Your feedback will surely encourage me to make more videos. So stay tuned for the coming lessons for more, and good luck.